Hi guys, welcome back to 956 Flips. If you're new to the channel, I buy liquidation merchandise, go to pawn shop, flea markets, thrift stores. I buy off of online. Anything I can get my hands on pretty much to resell. And today I just want to give everyone a thank you. My channel's been monetized, so that means I hit over 1,000 subscribers and I got over my 4,000 watch hours. I really appreciate it, guys. It's thanks to you guys that I'm able to do these videos. Today's video is going to be pretty short. This is just for you guys. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. It's going to be through Gleam.io. I'll go ahead and put the link in the description. That way you guys can check it out. And that's basically it, guys. Once again, I'd like to say thank you. I really appreciate it. And hopefully we can, grow the channel. Maybe with this giveaway, it'll help the channel a lot. So once again, guys, I appreciate it. Thank you.